So today I went to Dollar Tree in search of some fall stuff. Yes, I did say fall stuff. I have seen on Instagram, and I believe I've seen here on YouTube, a couple of people that have their accounts that went to Dollar Tree and they found some fall stuff and even some Halloween stuff. And I know that it's still early in summer to be thinking about fall and Halloween, but I love fall and Halloween. That's my favorite season. But anyways, I did see that they have posted that they found some fall stuff and some Halloween stuff. I went to two of my Dollar Trees, no dice. The only thing I found in one of my Dollar Trees was the fall floral, and they do have some new type of fall floral as well, and they also had some picks. They had some potpourri with the little pine cones, scented ones, so good, and those little brooms with the cinnamon scent. But I did take some pictures of that stuff and I did put it on my Instagram. If you go to my bio here on YouTube, it'll take you directly to my Instagram. I do have a link to my Instagram on there, so you can go check out all the pictures that I took and I uploaded into my Instagram account. So I know that it is so early in the year to start thinking of fall, but you know, we're not even in July yet, and you know, they already have stuff out. I know Hobby Lobby does. They have fall already and some Christmas. Can you believe it? Yes. But anyway, enough of my rambling. Let's begin with this haul. So I went to Dollar Tree and I found some storage containers, and they're taking out right now a lot of their, I was going to say Christmas. They're taking out a lot of their school supplies. My goodness, I am like, can't think today. But they're taking out a lot of their school supplies. They have so many things that they're putting out, so many cute things for your children, my goodness. But they did have some storage supplies. I am organizing my craft room, and they have brought out, a couple years ago, Dollar Tree brought out these containers, and I really like them. As you can see, I put my glue sticks on here. But I only picked up 4 of these guys that year. And this was, I think, 2 or 3 years ago, something like that. Now, they have brought out some of these exactly the same like these, but they were in like a really dark, solid color, and I didn't really care for them. So this year, they brought them back, but they have a little gray tint to them. Let me grab them and show you guys. So these are the ones that Dollar Tree brought out this year. I picked up 2 of these here. They're clear. I like that they're like see-through, so you can see what you have in there. But as you can tell the difference, I don't know if you could tell the difference in color. These are grayish tint, and this is just a clear storage. But I'm okay with that because I do like using these. And what I like about them is that you can stack them on top of each other, and they stay on there nice and neat. So I picked up 2 of the gray. I picked up 4 of the pink. They have different colors, and I really like the pink, and I like that you could still see through them and you could see what you have inside them. So I hope I have enough. I think I do. I think I have more than enough, but it's better to have extra than not enough. And you know, with Dollar Tree, if you see something there, you better pick it up, because if not, it flies off the shelf. We just don't know what item is going to be popular. So I'd rather get extra and have extra than not have enough. The other thing that I picked up at Dollar Tree were these little like pencil containers. And I picked up 2 of the clear and then 2 of the pink as well. And again, like I said, I'm trying to organize my craft room, so I had to pick up these containers. Now these are in the school section. As soon as, at least in my Dollar Tree, as soon as you walk in, they have all their school supplies that they're putting out, and that's where this is at, in the school supplies. So keeping with the storage, I did pick up 2 of these little containers here as well. These are in the automotive section, but this is not the one that I was actually looking for. I picked up 2 of these, and I did go back, and I think I'm missing a bag actually. I could have sworn I had another bag. Hold on. I have no clue where I put that other bag. But anyways, I did pick up, like I said, 2 of these, but I realized it's not the one that I was looking for. But I still, you know, I'm still using these to use in my craft room. I'm looking for these actually. And I did find them at one of my Dollar Trees, and I picked up a couple of these. But this is how I like to organize my little fake candies that I buy at Hobby Lobby. And so I did that with this, and I'm going to do it with this one as well. All the little things. On the other one, let me show you guys on this one. I have like my little tiny ducks and stuff. This is like, I want to dedicate it to the different seasons. Like this is for Valentine's Day, the other one's for Christmas. So that's why I was looking for these. I'm trying to keep my room, my craft room organized, friends. But I think that was all the organizational stuff that I found. So just let me show you the other stuff that I found. And it's going to be random. I'm just going to start pulling them out of the bag to show you guys what I found. So at Dollar Tree, I found, look at this, guys. Oh my God, it's so cute. They had two of them. They had one in white, and then the other color was in a teal color, but the other one wasn't working. This is a solar powered little lantern, and it's out of ceramic. They had it, I guess, at whatever their Dollar General, I think is where they had it, but I only paid $1.25. But look at how cute this one is, and it does turn on. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. It's on, but you can't see it. But they only had the one, and it was just random, and so I picked this one up. So for my craft room, I found these white paintbrushes. I picked up a few packs of these. I actually picked up more packs than just these, but I already opened them and put them in behind me. And so I picked up some more, and I just like the way they look. They just look nice with the white and the gold barrels. I picked up this magnifying glass. I got it because I do follow, oh my God, and I cannot remember her name. It's on Instagram, and she bought one of these, and she says it just looks really nice to put it on a stack of books, like say on a coffee table. And I do have a stack of books on my coffee table, and just to put it on top, just to give it that, I don't know, just that really nice look. So I picked this guy up, but you know what? I think I can actually use it myself when I don't want to go run and grab my glasses. So it's not only going to look pretty on my stack of books, but it's also going to be functional for me. So I picked up this long mop or broom handle because I bought this guy here. You know, they sell these separately. They sell it all one piece, but I wanted to get it separate because with this, I'm just going to screw it on here, and then I can wash my windows. I can use this when I wash my showers, so I can change this out when this is already messed up. So that's why I got this and this separately instead of one that's actually glued in there. So I picked these guys up at Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. So I picked up 4 of these flamingos. The reason why I picked up these flamingos was because I have bought at the thrift store a little croquet set. I thought it was an adult set, but it was a children's set. And I do want to glue these guys onto, or tie them, not really glue them, but tie them onto the actual croquet little thing that they have on there, and put them upside down like that, kind of like in Alice in Wonderland, how they have, I don't know if they're flamingos or what they are, but they have them on there. That's what they're using. So I thought I could do that with that croquet set, put them on there like this, and then when the kids come over, they can play croquet, and I can do my Alice in Wonderland theme tea party, but except it won't be hot tea, it'll be cold tea because it's hot out here. And I thought that would be cute, and I think they would get a kick out of that. So the other thing that I picked up is the stainless steel scourers. How do you say it? Scourers? Yes, it's scourers. I picked up this here. You get 3 of them in the pack. These work amazing when I clean my stainless steel stove, or when I clean my pots and my pans that are out of steel. This works amazing. So I picked up 3 more of these, or 1 pack of these with the 3, and this lasts me for a long time. So I had to pick this up. If you have a stainless steel stove, this will work good. It doesn't scratch my stove, but I don't put a lot of pressure on there because I don't want to take a chance in it scratching. So for me, they work amazing. I picked up this hanger here with these little hooks here. This is for my husband, so he can hang his belts on here. He constantly keeps grabbing all the hangers and hanging his belts off of the hanger right here. And then I don't have hangers to hang my stuff. So I figured I would get him this so he can hang all his belts on here. So he'll leave my hangers alone. And then finally, I picked up this pack of magnet buttons. I did see Do It on a Dime. She had a way of using these. Go to her channel, you could check it out. So I picked up some of these so I can use them for some of the DIYs that she did. All right, I believe that was everything that I had at Dollar Tree. I don't know why I feel like I'm missing one bag, but I probably am because I remember I bought more of these guys and I don't know where they're at. So I know they're somewhere in here, this bag. But anyway, let me clean this up and let me show you guys what I found at the thrift store. So my sister and my aunt came down, and my nephew, they came down from California this past weekend, and my aunt and my sister, they love thrifting. So they wanted me to take them around town here to show them all the different thrift stores that I go to. And I took them to the Goodwill, and the only thing that I found at the Goodwill was this big old Fiskars paper cutter, as you guys can see. And I got this one for $3.99. It's not a bad deal. And I figured my son, since he likes to use the Cricut a lot, and he does use it, and he makes a bunch of shirts, he can use this cutter to cut some of the vinyl. And yeah, and so I thought for $4, this thing is big. It's not a bad deal. So I got home, cleaned it up. I left the price on there for you guys so you guys can see. But this is gonna go in my craft room here, and we'll be using this with the Cricut. Okay, so the next find was from Salvation Army. I only got one thing there. I did come home and I washed it, and I put the price tag on the side so I can show you guys how much it was, but I think my boys threw it away. But this next item was $4.99. I believe it was either $3.99 or $4.99. I remember it was either $3 or $4.99. But anyway, regardless, it was a steal because I found, look at this Skull dispenser. It's a Skull beverage dispenser, and oh my god, the only thing that it's missing is the lid, but that's not a problem. I can buy a big lid to screw it on here. As you can see, it's a screw top, so that's not a problem. But if you follow me and you guys know how much we are Halloween fanatics here and how I love to entertain for every holiday, and especially for Fright Night In, I thought this was amazing. And it doesn't have any leaks. It's perfect. And for the price, I couldn't beat it. So I got it for, I'm going to say $4.99. But isn't that, oh my god, an awesome find? So now let me show you what I found at Deseret Industry. I found this adorable little cherub. Look at how cute. And he has a little bunny. Look at that. And you could tell he's like a shelf sitter like that. And I got him for $8, maybe a little too much, but I got him for $8, and I just loved it, and it's kind of heavy. So I'm going to put this in my yard somewhere, whether it be in the front yard or in the backyard. I don't know, but I thought it was so cute, and I love cherubs. And so I'm going to stick this somewhere in my garden. Isn't he adorable? Oh my goodness, look at him. So cute with his little bunny there. Love it. So this next find, oh my god, I was so excited. That was so cute. I thought it was cute because I'm supposed to be getting my niece and my nephew. They were supposed to stay with me through the whole summer, but I'm supposed to get them after the 4th. And I saw these and I thought these were so cute. Look at these. They're ice cream bowls. Aren't they cute? So they were all $1 each. I got 4 of them. They were $1 each. They had 2 of the blue, but I only got 1 of the blue. And they had a total of 5 of these at the thrift store, but I only picked up 4, and they had 2 blue, and I left the 1 blue behind. But I got a blue. I got this green color. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness, they're little balls for ice cream. Put those down here. And then I picked up this white one and this pink one. Isn't that cute? Oh my god, they are so cute. I love them. They were all $1 each, and I should have picked up the other blue one. Too bad they didn't have another set, because I would have definitely picked up the other set. But aren't these cute? So I had to pick them up for $1 each. And then the last thing was I picked up 4 of these little tea saucers for teacups, and they were $1 each. These are made in England, and let me put my glasses on. It says Regency Bone China, made in England, and it has a little man on there. See that? And they had 4 of these and 4 of the teacups, and these were $1 as well. And it's the same brand from England. Isn't that pretty? So I picked the 4 that they had up. They have this design here, which is different, And they also had the saucer that's identical to this design. And then they had this design, and the teacups have this flower on there as well. So it's two with this design and then two with this design, and they're so pretty. I had to pick them up. I did say I wasn't going to pick up any more teacups or anything like that, but I couldn't pass those up. I love the way these look. They're a little taller than the other ones that I have, and I loved them. So I had to pick them up. I just had to. But anyway, friends, that was everything that I found at Dollar Tree and at my thrift stores around me here. I love going to the thrift stores, but I don't go as often anymore because I have been purging a lot of stuff in my home, and I'm trying not to bring in too much stuff into my home. I'm trying to be more minimalistic, you know, and so it's hard. It's hard. Although when I went with my sister and my aunt, they were like a kid in a candy store. They were loving it, but I really didn't buy much other than that Fiskars cutter. That was basically it. Oh, and there is one more thing I want to show you guys. My sister bought me this beautiful crystal candy dish at Savers. It was $25. It is just stunning. I will show you guys at the end of the video, but I want to thank you, friends, for watching my haul, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.